Hello, welcome back to another video. Now, I want us to get into artificial intelligence, or what we call in short AI. ChatGPT has put artificial intelligence on another level. After the app launched, everybody was talking about it so much, and we forgot that artificial intelligence has been here all along, but we might have not been using it. Apps like Evernote have been here for the longest time, and then also we have different softwares that are supported by artificial intelligence. For instance, if you have Siri on your phone and if you're using Google Assist, those apps definitely have artificial intelligence in them. So what is AI? I want you to think about AI as a second brain for you, because AI is just designed as a tool to help us, with small tasks here and there, by using already existing data and information just to help you get through simple everyday tasks. For instance, if you have an AI tool, you can literally type in any inquiry you have. Think about it as an assistant, someone who can easily look things up for you, put information together for you. You just have to ask the right questions. Now, because AI is heavily empowered with data and information, very many people are actually worried about this app is here to steal our jobs. So I want to talk to you about how you can leverage artificial intelligence based applications to actually boost the performance of your job, performance of your business, without you having to worry about either competing with it or worrying about the fact that it might take away your job in the future. So let's do some digging. I'll give you an example for myself, and I want you to use this as an experience to reflect on your own work and see how you can use artificial intelligence. Now, I have to handle events in my job or in my everyday work. I handle events, I handle a lot of writing, and also as a creative, I have to do a lot of brainstorming and come up with new ideas about problems that people have and how I can be able to provide information that can help to boost their productivity or the development of their businesses. Now, what AI can do for me is I can literally just type into, what challenges do people face in this sector and how can they be resolved, and it will literally use the data it has to put together enough information to inform me at that very same time. Or you can also look at it in terms of writing articles. It helps you do that. So instead of having to walk around maybe with someone to just help you for the purpose of writing, you can literally give it a brief of what type of article you would like, and it would definitely draft it for you. Now, the trick is you have to ask the right questions, because AI gives you a lot of generic information and you shouldn't just use it as copy and paste. Have an AI chat that you're just typing in information. Make sure you ask very specific questions so that it can also tailor for you very specific answers that are going to suit you at your current point of need. And then also, when you get the information, make sure you read through them to get a clear understanding of what you have got and eliminate things that may not apply for you, because it would be very easy for you to just look at it and copy and paste into a document that you have to submit, and then eventually realize that you didn't contextualize the information for yourself. So it's more of an assistant, but it's not going to do all the work for you. You still have to do a lot of contextualizing, and there's no way you can actually run away from something like that. One of the ways AI has come through for me this year, I had a huge event that I organized in January this year, and we had a lot of panel discussions to organize, and it was so tricky tailoring questions for each of the panels that were very relevant to the topics that they had going on. But with AI, we literally put in the themes of the day, and it helped us to develop questions that aided a lot of the conversation during the course of that event. Now, if you run events on a regular, you will realize that for such a task or for such a purpose, you might have to actually hire an extra personnel just to help you with a lot of, questions and designing content for the workshops and whatnot, or even articles. But in this case, it's going to save you time, and it's also going to save you money, because it gives you all the information you need at the click of a button. Now, I want you to I have left for you a resource down in the description. It's just an OpenAI tool, because it's going to help you to resolve any questions or any answers you might need to whatever you're doing in your work. This is going to be a huge breakthrough. Also, different people have developed applications that have different AI-powered tools that run both on Android and iOS that you can be able to look up. However, What you need to notice is most of the applications right now are paid for apps. And if you're like me, just starting out and you're not able to pay for all these tools, you need to find a very reliable AI tool that can be free and accessible to you any time of the day. So I'm leaving one for you down in the description for you to make life and work easy for you in your day-to-day. So think about using it, and then if you use it, please let me know in the comment section. Was it helpful? Did it do anything good for you in your business? Was it impactful? And also, if you have attempted to use AI for the very first time in your life, how has it been? How is it changing your life? Is it doing anything for you for the better, or you feel like you're actually staying in the very same place? So this year we are looking at doing work much easier and much faster, and I think that goes in line with being very efficient. So if you can use tools like artificial intelligence or whatever tools could be relevant for you with your business, use them, because the more you use tools, the faster you're going to be able to do your things. Thank you very much for watching this video. As always, I love it when you guys interact with this type of content, and just to make things even better, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. We learn a lot when we learn from each other, so I would love to hear from you, and I hope I see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.